Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to delete comments in TikTok. So we are going to delete comments from video. So we are in profile. Now you see menu. So click on it and then you see setting and privacy. So again click on it. So we are in setting and privacy section. Now you see multiple option and then you see activity center. So click on it. So we are in activity center and then you see comment history. So again click on it. Now you see all comments history you have. So we are going to delete it. Now you see web task with Hassan comments on this video. So click on it. Now you see video is open and then you see our comments. So we are going to delete it. Now click on it and then you see delete. So click on it. Now you see deleted. So in this way you can delete your comments in TikTok. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.